Welcome to the show. My name is Edith Kimani.
And my name is Bonnie Tunya. Right, we'll start this bulletin with matters at the Supreme Court, where the Supreme Court has just made a ruling regarding the tussle of supremacy between the Senate and the National Assembly. And our reporter Sam Ogina was at the Supreme Court and paints the picture of exactly what went down. Good afternoon, Sam.
Well, good afternoon, Bonnie, in studio, coming to you live from the Supreme Court, where the full bench of the Supreme Court has just delivered its verdict. It is a 6-against-1 verdict, whereby 6 of the judges have actually approved, have actually said that the Supreme Court has the jurisdiction to hear a matter that was filed by the Senate in regards to the Divisions of Revenue Act. And while Justice Njoki Ndumo has actually dissented, saying that the Supreme Court lacked the jurisdiction, and actually that the matter was actually a political in nature and required a political solution, not a legal solution. Now, maybe just to run you through some of in summary, the judge's decision is that the National Assembly Speaker, Justin Muturi, has actually taken a lot of heat from the judges, whereby they faulted Muturi for actually bypassing and what they say undermining the Senate in the approval of the Divisions of Revenue Act, saying that it was actually within Muturi's prerogative to reach out to the Senate Speaker, Ekwe Thuro, and set up a mediation committee whereby the issues in dispute, that is the issues of allocating revenue to the counties. Remember that the Senate had actually scaled up the county allocations to 258 billion shillings, but when the Divisions of Revenue Act went back to Parliament, Parliament actually clawed back that amount to 210 billion shillings. And now it is on that account that the judges here say that actually the National Assembly Speaker acted in contravention of the Constitution, acted in undermining the spirit and letter of the Constitution, saying that the Senate had a role in processing the bill and was actually right in also scaling up that amount to 258 billion. And what has come out here is that that Muturi's abandoning of that process to mediate between the National Assembly and the Senate was actually flaunting the constitutional provisions, and also that is the Chief Justice himself, Dr. Willie Mutunga, trying just to settle the dust on the supremacy battle between the National Assembly and the Senate, saying that the power actually comes from the people. It's not about National Assembly, the members of Parliament, or the senators. Power is actually derived from the people themselves, who elected both senators and members of Parliament into power. Bonnie? Right,
and Sam, please paint to us a picture of what's next. We do understand the tussle was regarding the revenue allocation, and there was an issue of the jurisdiction of determining this particular matter. That has been sorted. What's next?
Well, what the court has said in clear language is that they have restrained themselves from annulling the Divisions of Revenue Act that was assented by the President, say that that was not the application that the Senate had actually made before the court here at the Supreme Court building. But it was actually getting it from Dr. Willie Mutunga himself. He says that it is about time that we move from a centralized system of government and fully embrace devolution as it is, and as it was enshrined in the Constitution, anticipated by the drafters of the Constitution, saying this has actually been a painstaking event, or a painstaking event for that matter, of just trying to get the two systems of governments work from pre-colonial times to the colonial times, actually faulting the colonial system of government and the successive regimes that have come in place for trying to perpetuate the centralized system of government, where all resources are centralized at the central government, but saying that the approval of the Constitution in 2010 by majority of Kenyans actually was a statement that Kenyans are alive to the fact that they want a devolved system of government. Bonnie?
All right, many thanks, Samogina, for us there at the Supreme Court. Following proceedings of that lengthy ruling regarding the supremacy battle between the National Assembly and the Senate, and at KTN we'll be giving you proper analysis of that very lengthy and landmark ruling by the Supreme Court of Kenya.